all students of class 12 English medium RS Inter College Kanpur. I am going to tell you today the topic is narration exclamatory sentences. So in exclamatory sentences you know that there is exclamation according to word, the sense is also giving that there is exclamation. Exclamation is many kinds of. There is surprise, there is delight, there is sorrow, there is praise also. So in this way we use in place of said or said to in the reporting verb, surprise, joy or delight, sorrow, applaud according to the sense. And at first we shall use exclaimed with in place of said or said to. After that we add surprise, joy or delight, sorrow, applaud. And surprising sentence starts with how or what. You have to remember it. And mark of exclamation is also given up near the words. And so you have to understand that these exclamatory signs are compulsory to be given in the exclamatory sentences. So you have to use surprise, joy or delight, sorrow, applaud according to the senses, as sense is given. When how or what is in starting, you have to use exclaimed with in place of said or said to. After that, according to the sense, surprise, joy, sorrow or applaud, any one of them according to sense you have to add or write. As for example, Mukesh said how foolish he is. So there is surprise because it is starting how. A mark of exclamation is also given. So it will be Mukesh exclaimed with surprise that he was very foolish. In the same way, Ramu said, "Hooray, we have won the match." So it is matter of joy because winning or victory is the symbol of joy or delight. So we shall change it as Ramu exclaimed with joy that they had won the match. According to the tenses, it is present perfect. Present perfect becomes or is changed into past perfect tense. Present indefinite, past indefinite, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, past perfect tense. So in this way, these kinds of the changing are done in the tenses. So you have to remember the formulas, those were written the previous year. And like this other sentence, Sheila said, "Alas, I have lost my purse." So when you are there is lost, something is lost or some person dies, so it is matter of sorrow. So after exclaimed with, you have to use sorrow. As Sheila exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her purse. Sheila exclaimed with sorrow that she had lost her purse. In this way. Next, Ramu said, "Bravo, Mukesh, you have done well." So there is praising. Means Ramu praises Mukesh for his good work. So there is used applauded and after object saying. After that is used and rest is in the same way. As Ramu said, "Bravo, Mukesh, you have done well." So Ramu applauded Mukesh saying that he he had done well. In the same way, next is Reena said, what a fool he is. So it is surprising thing because she had never seen such kind of policeman. So she is exclaiming with surprise. So there will be surprise. Reena exclaimed with surprise that he was a great fool. When, how, after what a noun is used, then there should be used a great in place of what a. If there is adjective, there should be used a very here in place of what a or how. So in this way you have to do. Remember that you have to do work daily and also complete the work, and you have to learn also whatever is taught per day in the class online, and after few days the offline classes will be also started. Everything will be repeated. Don't care if you are confused. I will tell you the second time, third time until you are confirmed. So you have to complete the written work and you have to revise the rules and regulations which I am giving you to write and giving you to learn. And rest of work will be repeated and will be cleared later also. Don't care, I will help you in any way in English subject. You have not to care. Ask me any confusion, I will clear it in English. Thank you very much, and please pay attention that if your fee is not deposited till now, so you should inspire your parents to consult the school, and whatever if not wholly, in part way also you may pay the fee, and so that the school management, college management may execute all the facilities to you in your getting education. There should be no disturbance. I hope that you will pay attention towards this notice. Thank you very much.